David, Karnes, I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
And I know you've got the answer.
Yep.
It seems like 9 times out of 10, if there's severe weather in Middle Tennessee, Nashville, Murfreesboro, it's going to be here in an hour or two.
Yep.
Well, they had severe weather yesterday.
Yep.
It stopped, thank goodness, before it got here. And it looks like a similar situation today.
It is similar, and it's basically whenever you have a cold front working its way through an area, it moves west to east, and you'll see that telltale line of storms moving through. Mm-hmm. Well, sometimes we see those fronts stall and just kind of sit there. And so that's kind of the pattern that we have now. That front is wiggling back and forth a little bit, but for the most part, it is staying well to our west, which means we're underneath all of the activity, allowing southerly winds and super warm air to move in, but little to no rain. We got a couple of showers trying to bubble up and work their way northward. Nothing severe and very little, if any, rain today. You can see again all of the activity is well to our west. We're still watching this tornado warning. Now in Smyrna, this radar signature was really good to the southwest near Thompson Station, if you're familiar with the Middle Tennessee area, but still holding together and now moving through Smyrna with a tornado warning in effect there. And you can see heavy rain and thunderstorm activity, Dixon back to Jackson into Memphis, where no severe warnings there, but we do have a lot of flood warnings, and you can see a tornado warning, severe thunderstorm warning well to the southwest. So this is going to be another active area today. That is from Nashville to Little Rock and further to the southwest, the enhanced area for severe weather today, with the slight risk extending up into Kentucky and beyond. And that same area is where we will have our highest tornado risk once again today as well. Tomorrow, we're looking at another high-end risk. Again, we're going to see that front bubbling backwards a little bit, so this is going to be where we have the focus of all our highest risk of severe weather, and that again is where the highest tornado risk will be, Little Rock, Arkansas. Again, that's and surrounding areas. So moving ahead to Saturday, looks like basically the same type of pattern all to the west of the Chattanooga area. That is also where the flooding rains will continue, up to 7-10 inches of rain still likely west of Chattanooga. In Chattanooga, we'll finally see some of that rain moving in on Sunday as that stationary front picks up its pace again. We see it moving eastward and dumping 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain across the Chattanooga area. So Futurecast will go through it again. That red and blue on the front mean that we have a stationary boundary, and along that boundary is where all of the thunderstorm activity and the potential for severe weather will be. This is Friday, 7 a.m., and you can see we're still underneath this boundary, so the winds are still coming out of the south, but notice that low developing along the boundary. That's what's going to start working its way off to the northeast. So Saturday, still strong to severe thunderstorms to our west, but here they come moving through on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday morning we start to see, especially around, I'm going to say 8, 9 o'clock, some showers and thunderstorms working their way through. Right now it looks like the best chance for severe weather will stay to our south, but we will keep an eye on that Sunday morning. And then some nice cool air moves in to start next week with our next rain chance coming in on Wednesday. So quick look at our forecast then for tonight. 85 degrees right now, breezy, 15 mile per hour winds out of the south, mid to upper 60s overnight. And then tomorrow afternoon, the record high for Chattanooga is 88. I am forecasting 88. So that would tie the record previously set in 1934. And then 88, the forecast high on Saturday. The record high is 89. And then a 90% chance of rain and thunderstorms on Sunday morning with showers lingering into the afternoon, a high of 74. And much cooler. You will need jackets in the morning, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And again, that next chance of rain moving in on Wednesday, guys.